What do wheel spacers do on a truck? Most people add wheel spacers to accommodate larger tires. Without them, larger tire was originally installed will often rub against fenders, usually while the vehicle is turning or on the suspension components. Pushing the tires out helps mitigate the rubbing.
For the Ford F-150, the stock wheels are already flush with the fenders. However, the overall look is not sporty enough. If you want the vehicle to be more aggressive, install wheel spacer to push the wheel outward can get a wider track.
Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thicker spacers push the wheel out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track. After choosing the right size wheel spacer, it's important to install wheel spacers with the correct installation. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts and lift the vehicle. Place jack stand underneath for added safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Use rust remover to clean the wheel hub. This ensures the wheel spacer more closely fitted to the hub. Step 3. Install wheel spacers. Place the BONOSS Hub-Centric wheel spacers to the hub. For slip-on wheel spacer, secure it with the nuts. Step 4. Reinstall the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the nuts with the torque wrench. Use a torque wrench to tighten the nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. Check for clearance once the spacer is installed. Turn the steering wheel from side to side to ensure there are no rubbing or clearance issues. That's all for today's video. If you want to get a BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.